So other people have posted videos that have been helpful to me for replacing the blower motor on their Honda vehicles. This is a 2012 Honda Fit. Just paid off my car. The weather just got really warm, so perfect time for the blower motor to not blow anymore. So I'm gonna replace it, and I thought I would document it to help other people. So this is the undercarriage of the blower motor that's currently in there. I already unplugged this connector from the blower motor, and I connected it to the new one that I ordered, and this works. So it's not the resistor, and it's just needs a new fan basically, but they call it a blower motor. It's the whole part. Luckily I happen to have one of these handy screwdriver kits that has a little bit of everything. So we're gonna need one of these hex tools, and I'm just gonna have to guess and get under here to undo just 3 screws. And if you keep forgetting which ones they are like I do, you can just see on the new one, it'll be 1, 2, 3. So I'm just matching it up to what's up there. So, let's see. It's going to be this one. If you saw that. And it's going to be that one. And then all the way under there, I guess. That one that's in the middle of it. So we are venturing underneath the glove box. We've already pulled out the panel. It's just a kick panel, it's called. And it's just this plastic piece that just covers everything that's in here. You just basically just reach in the back and just like carefully pull it out. And it's just a cover. Let's see if we can record me doing this without knocking the camera over. Oh man, and my allergies are rocking. Ugh. Lefty, Lucy. Nope, okay. Make sure that is tight. I've gotta make this go the other way. Oh gosh. Okay, something's happening. I picked the right one. And that's a 1, so let's not lose that because you don't get it with the kit. Oh, this looks like a regular old screw. Whew. And now for the last one. That is just going to be a shot in the dark here.
Hey babe, how's it going so far?
It's going really well. I'm just trying to get this last screw out.
Awesome.
And I know that the fan works because I tried it. Just don't need this to fall out on my head. Okay. A little acrobatic work here.
Good, babe.
I know. It's funny.
Good picture. Oh, my phone on me.
Oh, so that pops off. Just wiggle it out. Shimmy. Oh, yeah. Success.
Nice.
Oh, the beast. All right, so this little piece goes to cover. Just keep scraping my door on there. Oh, yeah. Now we're gonna get this guy in here. Let's line it up. Come on. This is not what I line up.
Enough light.
No. What are we doing? Make sure that that's gonna be lined up. Gonna need to be able to plug into the part there. Oh man. Oh yeah. That'll line up there. Oh, I can barely see. Babe, what you doing out there? You're kicking my foot and stuff?
I'm trying to move it
Oh.
so you get some more pad.
Oh, okay, I appreciate that.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate that, sweets. Thank you.
Feet all over the place. It's cool.
All right, it's almost, it's cute, but, and I'm twisting up some of my hair in the wrench, so that's cool.
All right.
Babe, lots of good questions. Okay. Oh, Lord. And then this is just the cover for this other piece. Which way do you want to go in? Put that on first. Well, basically you'll see, I'm gonna start up the car anyway. Woo, see my hair's a total wreck. I've twisted up my hair and everything in there. All right. Oh, so it didn't work at all.
It'll work, babe.
Oh yeah, we're back in business. You hear that sound? That's the sound of... So mission accomplished. I just need to see if this fits back on, so I'm gonna have to undo those other two screws and put that on, but I don't even know if it matters. But I'll put it on anyway. So I hope this video is helpful to people. Like I said, other people's videos were very helpful to me, but thought they were maybe missed a few things. So good luck out there with your do-it-yourself repairs. You got this.